odd and even permutation. So what is odd permutation and what is even permutation? So first we do odd permutation. A permutation is odd if it is expressible, if it is expressible as product of odd numbers of transpositions or two cycle. Similarly, even permutation. If expressed as product of even number of two cycles or transpositions. Example, if I have ABC, a cycle or a permutation, then this I can write, in term of permutation I write this: A goes to B, B goes to C, C goes to A. This is permutation, this is cycle. So this cycle, how I can write? This I can write AC, AB. So number of transposition 2, right? Therefore ABC is even. Similarly, if I say ABCD, then this I can write like this: AD, AC, AB. So this is odd. One more example. If I have a cycle like this or permutation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is like this 2, 3, 1 and 5, 4. So in term of cycle I write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1. So it is one cycle. These elements form a cycle and these two elements form another cycle. Now this is already transposition because it is defined on two elements, and this I can write 1, 3, 1, 2 and this 4, 5 as it is. That means this permutation is, hence this is odd permutation. Right? Another example, if I add here, suppose 6, 6, then it is 1, 2, 3 and this is 5, 4 and this is 6 because it is identity. So this is we can remove and this become 1 2 3 this is 4 5 4 5 and this is again the case becomes same 1 3 1 2 4 5 again it is odd, right? And if I made a little change, this I make 6 5 4, then this cycle length is changed, 4 goes to 6, that means in cycle form 4 goes to 6, 6 goes to 4 and then this, that means this remain 5 5 again identity, so we can leave and this becomes 6, that means this is again this become 6 again odd permutation. If I change, this is suppose 4 and this is 5, then this become 4 goes to 6, 6 goes to 5, 5 goes to, now this is like this, then this become 6 5 and in term of transposition this become 4 5 4 6 1 2 3 4, now it become even permutation. These are the examples.